Welcome to Z Auto Advisor, your trusted destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of an Indian classic that's become a cult icon over the years, the Hindustan Contessa SP. This car isn't just metal on wheels, it's a symbol of ambition, style, and a long-lost era of Indian motoring. The birth of a legend. The Hindustan Contessa was born out of a dream to bring premium, luxurious sedans to Indian roads. Introduced by Hindustan Motors in the 1980s, the Contessa was originally based on the Vauxhall VX series. While the standard model made waves as a status symbol, it was the Contessa SP that really got enthusiasts talking. SP stood for Sport, and it came with subtle upgrades that gave it a sportier feel and presence on the road. Design and presence. The design of the Contessa SP made it look like a muscle car right out of a Hollywood movie. With its long hood, boxy yet elegant body lines, and wide stance, the Contessa SP commanded attention. It had chrome details, sporty decals, and alloy wheels that made it stand apart from anything else on Indian roads at the time. Even today, spotting a Contessa SP brings a wave of nostalgia and admiration. Performance and engineering. Under the hood, the early Contessa SP models were powered by a 1.8L Isuzu petrol engine, a significant upgrade from the earlier 1.5L engine. This gave the car improved power and drivability. Though by modern standards the figures may seem modest, at the time, the Contessa SP was one of the more powerful Indian sedans. It was also known for its smooth ride quality and commanding road presence, which made it a favorite among government officials, politicians, and elite buyers. Cultural icon status. What made the Contessa SP truly special was its identity. For many, it was India's answer to the American muscle car, a homegrown blend of luxury and power. Over the years, it earned a cult following, with many enthusiasts restoring and modifying them to enhance their retro charm. The Contessa SP even found its way into movies and pop culture, further solidifying its legendary status. The end of an era. Sadly, the Contessa's journey came to an end in the early 2000s as more modern and fuel-efficient cars flooded the Indian market. Hindustan Motors couldn't keep up with the changing automotive landscape, and the Contessa SP was quietly discontinued. But its legacy lives on in garages, car shows, and in the hearts of automobile lovers across the country. Conclusion. The Hindustan Contessa SP was more than just a car, it was a statement. A symbol of power, luxury, and timeless design. Here at Z Auto Advisor, we celebrate such iconic vehicles that shape the roads and hearts of a generation. If you've ever had the chance to ride in or own a Contessa SP, you know exactly what we're talking about. Thank you for tuning in to Z Auto Advisor. Stay with us for more stories from the world of wheels, from classic legends to the latest machines. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious. Let me know if you'd like a version with a specific length or focus, e.g. more technical, more emotional, or a restoration angle.